AI mandalas, a fantastic way of making money or giving your kids something to do. I also know some adults that love coloring in mandalas, so this can make a nice gift for them. But if you're in the business of mandalas, you probably need an AI mandala creator, and this one is absolutely genius and will work exactly how you want it to. In fact, you can customize this AI mandala generator to do exactly what you want. But instead of talking, let's show you instead. So here I am in the AI Mandala app, which is one of many apps. If you want to see all our apps, you just click this button here and you will see all the different apps, coloring page generator, etc. We have all these different apps, but let's close that for now. We're dealing right now with mandalas only. So here you can see some previously generated mandalas, which you're completely free to use commercially. But before we get going now, let's create a mandala of something that's never been done before so you can see how the system works. So let's think of an example. So I guess butterfly looks really nice as a mandala. So let's write that right now. Okay, so I just wrote butterfly in the box, nothing more than the word butterfly. Remember, this is a mandala generator, so it expects to create a mandala. All you need to do is just write what you want in the box above, and then instantly you'll be able to create that. So as you can see, it says please wait because it's generating this image, and we're going to wait. So here we are with a butterfly mandala which was created. If I don't like the look of this one, I can create a couple more of these, even though I think this one's absolutely fantastic. It might just not be round enough for me, but let's create a couple more just now and then zoom in on one of them and see the detail. I'll just move myself out the way over here. So here's another beautiful butterfly mandala, and of course one more will be created in a second. Now remember, you can completely customize what type of mandala you want just by writing in this box. So if I wrote something else, it would create something else. But just to show you the detail, let's zoom into one of these. For example, this one, you click on it and then click on enlarge image, and then you'll be able to see the image in more detail. Just move myself again over here. So in a few seconds, this image will be processed, and it's the large image, which you can then look and see if it suits your needs. If it does, for only 5 credits, you can download this for personal use. So as you can see, this is the larger image. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, the detail here is absolutely incredible. I hope you can see this on your screens. We're talking about sharp, sharp, sharp lines. Now I'm going to go back to the previous page, and then I'm going to just click on another one just to kind of kind of prove the concept that this is definitely a good quality AI mandala generator, and not one of those rubbish ones that gives you lots of gray areas inside them. So let me click on this one. It seems a bit more detailed. It'll give you more of an idea what kind of quality you can expect from this. So as you can see, again, the same quality, very, very, very sharp, and definitely mandala-like. So of course, if you like this app, feel free to use it. To find it, if it's not linked in the description, which it probably will be, and it should be anyway, you go to generate.net. Let me show you. This is generate.net. Then you click on the AI imaging apps, which is the first one here. And then you select the AI Mandala Generator, which will probably be somewhere around here. Now remember, once you get a membership, which is actually free to start with, all of these apps are basically yours. In addition to all of these, you also have access to all of these apps as well. And there are some massive apps in this set of apps. We're talking about AI, Chrome extension makers, email responders, and just basically endless things. There's also a book generator, which is definitely useful for people selling on Amazon KDP, which will let you generate entire books. I'm talking about books which are like 200 pages long, and you find that over here in AI book writing. Okay, that concludes the video. Let me just come back into my main screen. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to never miss any new tools, and bye for now.